How to log in into MyFord Benefits. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can log in into MyFord Benefits account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and there type in myfordbenefits.com, then press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna directly take you to their login page. As you can see on your left hand side, there is this login prompt. So for login, or in order to log in, first of all you have to enter your user ID associated with your account. If you want to log in with your LightMotion, you can also do that, but for now we will just continue with the user ID. So here all you have to do is enter your user ID. Under that you have to enter your Ford Benefits password. Make sure to type in the correct password. In case if you forgot your login credential, there is this link right here that says forget ID or password. You have to click on it and follow the instructions to recover your ID or password. Once it's on entering your credential, all you have to do is click on login button. After that you'll be logged into your account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.